Nice hair is beautiful. With the exception of Dwayne Johnson, having thick hair as a male has been scientifically proved to boost your appeal. Which do you prefer, Vin Diesel or Jason Statham? Scientific research supports the idea that full hair is more attractive than bald hair. A 2015 study indicated that males with thicker hair are seen as more successful and friendlier than those with bald heads. However, males are increasingly concerned about hair loss. It's surprising that many men lose hair in their 20s. Hair loss is caused by stress, lifestyle, food, and heredity. Grow healthier, thicker hair and gain confidence. Check out the method to prevent hair loss and grow strong, healthy hair. Please note that no product can save your hair, regardless advertising. However, by combining different practices, you can definitely improve the health of your hair. Hey there! Before we dive into the routine that will work wonders for your hair, let's chat about some natural changes your hair might go through that could cause a bit of concern. Don't worry, the following occurrences are completely normal and nothing to be concerned about. It's just what hair naturally does. Shedding is a normal part of the hair cycle. Ever look down at the drain after washing your hair and seeing a clump of hair? It can be a bit alarming, making you wonder if you're experiencing hair loss. But don't worry, it's actually quite common. Don't panic, that's normal. It's normal for your hair to shed. In fact, what you don't know is that you lose hair strands daily. But that doesn't mean all hair loss is normal. If you have longer hair, you'll notice easier than people with short hair. But as long as it's between 50 and 100 strands, it's okay. There are 100,000 follicles or more on each person's scalp, so losing 100 or so hair strand today won't make much of a difference. Now, if you notice a large clump of hair after you shower or wash your hair, and it's so bad that it's obvious that you've lost your hair, you might need to evaluate your hair care routine, because that's just not normal. Hair looks thin when wet. Your hair will look less dense when it's wet than when it's dry. When your hair retains water, it'll look super thin. You might even be able to see your scalp. But that's completely normal as long as it goes back to its usual volume. When it's dry, you have nothing to worry about. Now that we've covered what your hair does naturally, let's get into what you should do if you want to keep your hair thick and healthy. Wetting hair daily. Washing your hair every day may seem like the best choice, but it could potentially contribute to hair loss. Wetting your hair on a daily basis can cause swelling in the cortex, resulting in temporary protein loss and hygral fatigue. Hygral fatigue occurs when the cortex of your hair swells and diswells repeatedly due to excessive moisture. Instead of washing your hair every day, a great alternative is to use dry shampoo. This is a fantastic method for cleaning your hair without any water involved. It's important to shampoo your hair correctly to avoid any issues such as hair loss. Instead of vigorously rubbing the shampoo all over your hair, it's best to gently massage it into your scalp. Remember, your scalp is not a rug, so avoid scrubbing it too harshly. Be sure to gently massage the shampoo into your scalp for a few minutes before rinsing. It's important to be mindful of the amount of heat you apply to your hair, whether it's straight or curly. Excessive heat can lead to breakage, so it might be a good idea to reduce the frequency of blow dryer use. Remember to save this tip for those busy days when you're in a rush. On days when you have a little extra time, try letting your hair air dry instead of using a towel. If you do use a towel, just remember not to rub your hair with it. It's a good idea to wrap your hair in a towel or a shirt to soak up the water before blow drying. Remember to use a heat protectant if you need to use a blow dryer. While some people find it okay to comb their hair when wet, others prefer not to. If you have straight hair, it's best to let it dry a bit before gently combing it with a wide tooth comb. However, if you have textured hair or tight curls, you can comb your hair while it's damp using a wide tooth comb. Avoid combing your hair when it's completely wet, as it's already delicate and adding tension at that time can cause breakage. Also, consider using products with long-lasting holds for better results. Using excessive amounts of hair products can be detrimental to the health of your hair. It's important to be cautious, especially with products that claim to provide long-lasting holds, as they can be particularly damaging. Instead, opt for hairstyles that don't rely heavily on these products. Now, let's discuss some tips for achieving thicker hair. Good for you! Co-washing is a simple and straightforward process. Instead of using shampoo, you just wash your hair with conditioner. It's important to remember that co-washing involves applying the conditioner to your scalp, just like you would with shampoo. Skipping shampoo might seem strange, but it's worth considering. Many shampoos contain sulfates, which are effective at cleaning your hair but can also strip away its natural oils and moisture. This can leave your hair dry and more susceptible to breakage. On the other hand, co-washing provides your hair with deep hydration instead of just cleansing it. Conditioners are typically formulated with ingredients that hydrate and moisturize, rather than cleanse. Taking care of your body's sleep needs is crucial for overall well-being. The various functions in your body are interconnected, and lack of sleep can have a negative impact on different aspects, including your hair health. As you may already know, sleep is highly important, so it's essential not to compromise on getting 7 to 8 hours of quality sleep. By doing so, you can promote healthy hair growth. Additionally, managing stress is key as it can contribute to hair loss. While it's not possible to completely eliminate stress, it's helpful to identify your stressors and find effective ways to manage them. Taking care of your hair after a workout is important. Exercising in the morning is a great way to boost your mood and give your skin a healthy glow. However, it can leave your hair feeling sweaty and unpleasant. Many people choose to wash their hair after working out, but doing this every day can be a hassle. Instead, try using a conditioning mask before or after your workout to keep your hair fresh. Another trick is to use the cold function on your blow dryer to get rid of any sweat. It's important to be mindful of certain areas of your hair, such as your hairline, as they can be more delicate. Take extra care when washing, brushing, and blow drying those areas to avoid any damage. Nutrition and dietary supplements. It's important to note that a hair routine alone, no matter how effective, cannot completely prevent hair loss. To enhance your chances of reducing hair loss, consider incorporating supplements into your routine. If you've ever used a hair growth product, chances are you've unknowingly used Bioxidil, as it's commonly found in many hair care products to promote hair growth. If you haven't tried it yet, I recommend getting a hair growth product with minoxidil and applying it to your scalp twice a day. Another option is finasteride, which comes in pill form and helps prevent excessive hair shedding or thinning. It's important to take this medication daily, but I advise consulting with your doctor beforehand to be aware of any potential side effects. Biotin is available as a supplement in both gummy and pill forms. It is recommended to take this daily. Having the right vitamins is crucial for promoting hair growth and maintaining its length and volume. It's important to ensure you're getting enough iron, folic acid, zinc, vitamins B12 and B7, as well as vitamin C and D. These essential nutrients help your follicles produce hair naturally, allowing you to achieve thick and healthy hair. Devices for red light therapy. Red light therapy is incredibly effective for your hair as it stimulates the hair follicles and encourages hair growth. It's truly remarkable. Having a full head of hair is important for your overall appearance as a man, so it's worth giving it some thought. The suggestions in this video can help you prevent baldness and its long-term effects. Feel free to share in the comments which tip you're looking forward to trying.